Breaking news coming in. Social media platform X appears to be facing a disruption, with users across the world reporting that key features are not loading. At the time, last we checked, we tried to log on to X, and this is what it told us. It told us that timelines are being stuck, the screens are buffering, notifications are also not loading. Let me go straight across to Hina, who's tracking the story for us. Hina, what more do we have? Are the outages being reported just in India, or is it in the UK and US as well?
Well, it's in different parts of the world. What we are witnessing right now, that users who are heavily dependent on X are just trying to refresh the feed again and again, because this is the message that we are getting right now. This is Times Now's X account, and we've been trying to refresh the feed for quite some time. We are not able to do it. It just says, please try again later. Something went wrong, try reloading. We've been retrying again and again, but it's not really working. You asked me specifically, Shreya, whether it's limited to India or it's in different parts of the world. So here is a website. It's called as Down Detector. It actually tracks if there is an outage of this kind. So the red spots that you can see here in different parts of the country, basically these are the cities in India where users are reporting that Twitter is down. They're not able to post anything. They're not able to check their feed. They're not able to refresh their timeline also. Now, this is how the situation is right now in India. A bigger red spot in Delhi, which means maximum users in Delhi and Mumbai, in fact, are facing this problem. Let me show you how the situation is in America as well. And here you can see a number of red spots in America too. Chicago, Washington, New York, Boston, Los Angeles. I mean, the prominent states here are seeing Twitter getting impacted. Now, it's becoming quite regular now, and because Twitter is not working, X is not working, so we've not even got an official statement yet. We'll see for how long it's going to continue.
All right, we'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast, Hina.